Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 flash drive for unsupported hardware. We're going to use Power ISO in this purpose. Steps are similar to previous video. So you're going to need Windows 10 and 11 images downloaded from Microsoft. Links are in the video description. Mount your Windows 10 image file. Make a new folder and open it. Open your virtual drive. Copy files to your empty folder. Open Sources folder. Find Install file and delete it. Unmount Windows 10 drive. Mount Windows 11 image and open it. Open Sources folder. Find Install file and drag it where you previously deleted that file. You can unmount that drive and close that window. Go one step up. Select all files. Make a right-click and find Power ISO options. Choose Add to Image File. Click on Save Path button and find Downloads folder. For file format, select Standard ISO image. Click OK. Close the program. Go to Downloads folder. You just created a new Windows 11 image. Now we create a Windows 11 flash drive. Find Power ISO again, but this time run it as administrator. Go to Tools. Create a bootable USB drive. Click on Image File. Go to Downloads and select image you just made. Make sure your flash drive is selected. Click Start and OK. Wait to finish. I'm gonna speed this up. You can close everything. Your Windows 11 flash drive for unsupported hardware is ready to use. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.